This side, CS, we are going to the grant that the Vice Chancellor mentioned. Is from one of the donors, and they are constructing here 2 floors at least, and then there will be a ramp. So just next to the street to connect this. Yeah, this is the skills lab. Yes. Yeah, it was a building which was given to us through a donation.
The name is actually up here.
Yes, yeah, St. Elizabeth of Angaton. So now we'll be ready, being officially.
Yes. Now officially the School of Applied Science and Technology officially.
The key is there. Very good. Then we can guide you inside. Yes. Let's go in. So this is the reception, the station where the person in charge will be here. We are from the side here the cupboard, but we can start from this. There is an interesting there. So we have beds, and then the mannequins, the nursing students have to learn this. Yes, yeah. So we are preparing ourselves for the equipments are ready. Yes, we have already done. Exactly. So we have to do this first. September. This is coming month. Yes, the facilities will require. Yes.
It's just for training.
Yes, this is training. It's not a hostel. Yes, but minor things, because these are being trained and the trainers are professionals.
So it's been taught, it's like in law school, you are a monitor.
Yes, you know, like now that we have activities.
Yes.
We could use that dual training policies that came up with.
Yes.
To see how to convert this.
Yes. Yes.
So that sometimes as a question of the class, they can actually also do
Yes. Yeah, that's very good.
because for the nursing program, it is both theory and practicals. Now the practicals
To be done in
is what they do here, and then there's what they do in the hospitals. So yes. Congratulations.
Yes, sometimes so up to there.
They don't want nothing chocolate.
Yes, true. Yeah, true. So as we advance, now we have the facilities. Now we'll have our own numbers. Yes, a few. Already in progress. We have a few of them. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So now we can move for lunch.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, asante.
Good afternoon, wherever you are watching us from. That has been an event that started around 9 p.m. The inauguration of the Tangaza University 2025-2026 Mass that was presided over by Auxiliary Bishop Simon Peter Kamamoe of the Diocese of Wote, and it has been a celebration with a lot of activities whereby the guest of honor, Mr. Julius Migos Ogambo, has also broken down the ground where they are going to build a learning resources for this great university that is celebrating 1 year since it was made a university. And it's, they have also opened a new faculty or a new building whereby they are going to applied sciences, a new course that was not there before, but they have started, and it is good to see even the building that we are in is one of those buildings that has newly been opened. And as a Tangaza University alumni, I'm happy with the progress that is going on. Wherever you are watching us, dear parents, dear Christian, the Tangaza University is a place to be. This is where people are not only molded academically, but they teach mind, they touch hearts, and they transform lives. Even as today, Bishop Kamamoe insisted that we should work very hard to make sure that if you are an alumni of Tangaza University, you should go out to transform life and make a difference of the people that you'll be touching. It has been good having you watching us, those who have followed us since the beginning of this function until this time. I also want to take this opportunity to thank our camera crew and all the people behind the camera that have made it possible for this event to come to you live wherever you are. May God bless all of us as we continue and begin this new week. It is I, Sister Esther Muturi, for Capuchin TV. Keep watching Capuchin TV, your Catholic identity, and for the coming programs. It's bye for now. God bless you. Bye.